Welcome to the CMS Broadcast. Today is the third broadcast of the year, and many more to come.
Next week is Spirit Week. Monday is Triplet Day. Tuesday is your favorite character day. Wednesday is 60s, 70s, and 80s Day. A day in which the 6th graders will dress up from the 60s, 7th graders for the 70s, and 8th graders will dress up as people from the 80s. And Thursday is Santa versus Grinch.
Speaking of Thursday, the Winter Wonderland Dance will take place on Thursday, 18th of December. And also Wintergrams will be sold for 25 cents for each piece of candy at lunch every day. The last day to buy a Wintergram will be Tuesday. Today's dance tickets will be sold for $3. They will be sold for the regular price of $5 all next week. Next week there will be a district wrestling meet. Also, the joke of the week is, drumroll please, why did the snowman get embarrassed when he was rummaging through a bag of carrots?
Why?
Because it was caught picking noses! And today's lunch is orange chicken.
And on that topic, the character of the week is Together from Home Alone.
Yes!
We have 5 school days left to winter break, including today. But that is all for this broadcast.
Bye.